First up, the most famous and perhaps the strangest, the Winchester Mystery House. This mansion was built by Sarah Winchester, heiress to the Winchester rifle fortune. Legend has it, she believed she was haunted by the ghosts of those killed by her family's guns. So, she built a house that never stopped growing. The result? 160 rooms, doors that open into nothing, and staircases that lead absolutely nowhere. Some say the spirits told her to keep building. Others think it was all paranoia. Either way, this is one of the weirdest homes in America. Monopoly in the park. Ever wanted to play Monopoly in real life? Well, in San Jose you can! This is the world's largest playable Monopoly board, located right in Discovery Meadow Park. It's 930 square feet, and you can even rent it out for private games. Imagine going to jail, but in real life. It's in underground tunnels. Did you know San Jose has a network of underground tunnels? Most people don't. These tunnels, dating back to the late 1800s, were rumored to be used during Prohibition for bootlegging alcohol and running speakeasies. Some even say they were escape routes for brothels and gambling rings. Today, many of these tunnels are sealed off, but who knows what's still hidden beneath the city streets? The Quetzalcoatl statue. Alright, this one is interesting. Meet Quetzalcoatl, a 6,000-pound sculpture of the Aztec feathered serpent god, located in downtown San Jose. But let's be honest, most people just call it the giant pile of poop. The city originally planned a huge Aztec pyramid here. Instead, they got this. It's supposed to symbolize cultural heritage. So which of these landmarks do you think is the weirdest? Would you visit them all? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cool content about San Jose and beyond.